Quick question, your team took 60 calls this week, but could you say how many were about pricing or scheduling or a complaint? That's exactly what call tags are for, so let me show you how they work. Everything starts in your settings, under tags. The first thing you'll notice is that automatic tagging is already switched on and that your tags are shared across the whole team. Each tag is really just a name, a color, and a short description, and that description is what tells the AI when to apply it. So let's create one together. Say you want to track warranty claims, you give the tag a name, you pick a color, and then you describe in plain English when it should apply. And here's the part I like. When you save it, Allo actually reviews what you wrote and rewrites it if that makes the trigger more accurate. You confirm, and the tag is live. And from now on, you don't have to do anything, because every time a call ends, Allo reads the conversation and applies the right tags on its own. That's why your calls view ends up neatly labeled like this, without anyone on the team lifting a finger. This is where it starts to pay off. Let's say you want every new job request from the last few days. You open the tags filter, you pick the tag, and there they are. What used to be a memory exercise is now literally 2 clicks. You stay in control, of course. Open any call and you can adjust its tags by hand whenever you want. Add one, remove one, and the AI won't fight you on it. So whether you're counting how many complaints came in this month or handing your new hire every quote conversation so they can learn from the best ones, your call history finally has structure, and the best part is that it builds itself. And that's it. Now you know how to tag every call automatically with Allo.